May salad and my very own dressing. Sariling gawa ko rin yung dressing. Healthy dressing din siya. Yan, mix lang natin. Cucumber, carrots, apple, lettuce, onion, tapos may mixed nuts. At saka syempre, may avocado. Ayan, saan na ba yung avocado? Ayan, kalahating avocado. Habang season pang avocado ay samantalahin natin. At nilagyan ko rin yun ng garlic toast bread. Ayan, may nabibiling garlic toast bread pang salad talaga. Kaya lang, ayan, nagkapare-pareho na ang kulay.